Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 3rd April 2025. Political developments. Parliament sees heated debate on Waqf Amendment Bill. The Indian Parliament witnessed intense discussions as the first session of debates on the Waqf Amendment Bill began on 2nd April. The bill, introduced by the Modi government, aims to reform the governance of Waqf properties by including non-Muslim members on Waqf boards and granting the government authority to determine disputed property ownership. Supporters argue that the amendments will enhance transparency and curb corruption in Waqf management. However, opposition leaders and Muslim organizations have strongly criticized the bill, fearing it may weaken Muslim property rights and lead to government control over religious sites. Protests have erupted in several cities as the debate continues. India considers EV tariff cuts amid US trade talks. As part of ongoing trade negotiations with the US, India is weighing reductions in electric vehicle (EV) tariffs. The move, which could facilitate Tesla's entry into India, faces resistance from domestic automakers who prefer a phased reduction by 2029 to protect local manufacturers like Tata Motors and Mahindra & Mahindra. The policy shift aligns with India's goal to expand EV adoption from 2.5% to 30% by 2030. Poonam Gupta appointed RBI Deputy Governor. Renowned economist Poonam Gupta has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, for a 3-year term. Gupta, who has held key positions at the World Bank and International Monetary Fund, is expected to bring significant expertise in macroeconomic policy. Her appointment comes at a critical time as India navigates economic uncertainties and inflation concerns. Sports updates. ISL semi-finals, Bengaluru FC vs FC Goa. The Indian Super League, ISL, semi-finals have kicked off, with Bengaluru FC taking on FC Goa in the first leg. Fans are eagerly watching as the tournament nears its climax, with teams battling for a spot in the final. IPL 2025, Livingstone's flying bat incident goes viral. During the IPL 2025 clash between Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB, and Gujarat Titans, GT, a humorous moment occurred when Liam Livingstone's bat slipped from his hands and flew into the air. Despite an early struggle, Livingstone scored a crucial 54 runs, helping RCB post a competitive total of 169 by 8. The incident has since gone viral, entertaining cricket fans worldwide. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.